Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial on how to use a Fiverr promo code. As you can see, we are here in the Fiverr page. The first thing you have to do is to pick any gig you are looking for or any service. For example, I already picked this one. After that, click continue, then continue. Now here in the checkout page, if you scroll down, you will find this apply promo code box here. Now the next step is to applying a valid promo code so you can reduce the total price of this gig. And to do that, all you have to do is to head over to this Fiverr promo codes page, scroll down, pick any coupon code you want to use here, because this is a site-wide coupon code. Click it and click the coupon to copy it and go back to the checkout page of your service you want to get. After that, paste your coupon here and click apply. As you can see, we have saved $10 on this service. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.